12-port Cat6 wall mount patch panel, compatible with Cat5e and Cat6. 10-inch wide patch panel is well suited for home and SMB applications. Color-coded labeling for T568A and T568B wiring schemes. Included 89D wall mount bracket for vertical or horizontal installations. Organize cable connections with included ties and port labeling. 110 IDC type terminal blocks. Use 110 or Krone type tool. Use with TRENDnet TC-PDT punchdown tool, sold separately. Supports ANSI, AA, TIA 568B.2/1 and ISO, IEC 11801. 90 degrees angle type. Operating temperature. -25 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius, -13 degrees to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed for Category 6 cabling. Provides performance of up to 5 gigabits per second speeds at 100 meters for 10 100ths 1000 halves.5 G, 5 G-base-T connections, and 10 gigabits per second speeds at 55 meters for 10 G-base-T connections. This compact patch panel includes an 89D wall mount bracket for vertical or horizontal installations. The snap-in style wall mount bracket design provides quick and easy access to cable connections when needed for installation or troubleshooting. Top reviews from the United States. Great patch panel. This is a well-made unit. The backing frame has mounting slots at each end, and also pre-drilled holes, so it provides flexible mounting options. The mounting frame is deep enough to allow plenty of room for incoming Cat6 cables. The T568A and T568B markers are not perhaps the easiest to understand but can be figured okay if you are familiar with RJ45 wiring, and not enough for me to downgrade this. As an aside, remember that the bend radius of Cat6 cables is greater than that of Cat5, because of the plastic spine, and you might want to do a mock-up to ensure everything will fit in place.